Yes, I'm going to do early bird on steal the brainrot. Just waiting. 40 seconds left. Let's do this. Okay. Sorry guys. 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, well, here we are. Early bird. Okay. He always forgets. He always forgets. Dude, it's early bird. This guy just sometimes forgets. No, every time you do early bird now, he just forgets about it. Bro, like seriously? No, I'm gonna post the girl watch right. Dude, I think he actually forgot, guys. I'm back. Like, bro, actually forgot. Cause literally every time now he forgets. Like, bro. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'll see you in a bit when he actually starts the dang early bird, which I forgot about, most likely. Bro, it's been 2 minutes. Come on. It's been like 3 minutes, guys. I don't even know where he is. He's probably forgotten. Because this guy always forgets. Like, now it's been 4 minutes. We still have no update. See you guys in a bit. Oh, alright, we're here. Chat said early bird.
Lucky block.
Oh.
Lucky block.
Okay.
Lucky block.
Ooh.